Hi guys, Kevin Wicker here today. So today I will be opening Dragon Majesty with my little brother. So it has a Latias Hollow promo card. And then it has all these dragon types. So let's get started opening.
And I need to take this off the Captain America shield.
Yeah. Okay, if I can just do that. Okay. Ooh. So, Latias promo.
Can I see? Oh,
Sure.
wow,
Latias
it's shiny.
promo. Okay. 3 Dragon Majesty packs. Okay, so Dragon, Charizard, Salamence, and Dragonite. And then we also have this pin. So let's get started into opening. So I will be opening Salamence first. Hard.
Do you need help?
No, I'm okay. Dang. Cards are really hard to open now. Okay, I got it. It's almost there. I do not want to spoil the cards. Okay, I'm not going to be looking. Code card. Okay. Okay, so let's get started. Jingmo-O. Magikarp. Corsola. Swablu. Feebas. Ooh!
Can I see?
Hollow Fairy Energy. Blaziken! Hollow.
Can I see too?
Steel Energy.
Tiny.
Combusken. Flygon. And Turtonator. Okay.
Turtonator.
Now, let's go for Dragonite. Okay. Does Dragonite have any good ones?
I don't know if something goes wrong. If he gets a rare one, that's good.
I know. I usually go for GXs.
Yeah.
Pull out the Dragonite. Okay. Code card. 1, 2, 3.
Good.
Okay. Totodile. Trapinch. Feebas. Again. Wishy-Washy.
Can I
Magikarp?
have the wishy-washy?
Sure. Flygon Reverse Hollow. Turtonator again. Fiery Flint. Kyurem Hollow.
Can I see?
Yo.
Oh!
Okay. Will Volcano Park. And Thunder Energy. Okay. So next we shall be opening the last pack, which is Charizard. I saved the best Pokemon for last. Will this thing have any lucky cards? I'm going for okay. So Horsey, Trapinch, Swablu, Salandit, Litten, Fion, Reverse Hollow.
Can I see?
Without me noticing, Milotic, Heatmore, Seadra. Really?
Really? Can I see again?
Look at this.
Can I see again?
This is like.
Can I see it? Can I see?
So bye
Can
guys.
I see it? Can I see it? Oh,
Leave a like and subscribe. Hit that like button.
And I hope you like
Press
this
the
video.
bell for
Subscribe
more
and hit the
notifications.
like
Bye.
button. Yeah. And you have to click this if you want to enter more videos of us collecting more Pokemon cards. Well, I have this, so I don't know.
Yo.
I haven't carried it over.
I need to keep this.
Goodbye.